Welcome guys to this new video. I will show you how to access the pixels of an image. First of all, we need to create a P file. I will give the name of drawing dash rectangle. We need to import the OpenCV library. I will say the name of the image on this variable img name. Next, we need to read the image with the command imread. The param that we need to transfer to the imread function is the name or the path of the image. Next, I will store some values of the image like the width and the height. The width I will store it in the img rows, and the height of the image I will store in the variable img column. With 2 I will make a rectangle starting from a quarter of the height of the image with a width of 3/4 of the width of the image. Finally, I will show the image in a new window. The first parameter is the title of the window, and the second is our image. At the end, I will put a wiki in order to that the program wait for I press any key in order to end the program. Right now I'm in a new terminal running the P file, and that's it. Is our image with a black rectangle that we draw accessing the pixel of the image.